It is imperative that only the people whom you trust know your location. That's why it's important to manage the apps that have access to the location services on your Galaxy S23 to protect your privacy. Here's how you do that. Open the Settings app, then tap on Location. On the next screen, tap on App Permissions. Scroll through the list of apps and tap on an app to manage its location permissions. Tap Don't Allow. By selecting this option, you're preventing the app from accessing any information about your location. Now try to do the same thing to other apps that you don't want to have access to the location services. After that, go back to the previous screen and look at the apps below. Recent access. These are the apps that recently accessed the location services of your phone. You can disable their permissions as well if you like. But take note that navigation maps might not give you an accurate GPS location if you block them. And that's the easiest way to manage location permissions on your phone to boost your privacy and security. We hope this guide can be helpful. Thanks for watching.